my name is Alexa. Welcome to my channel. I'm pregnant with baby number 3 and our first little girl. I'm 39 and 3 days pregnant, so it's finally time that I pack the diaper bag. I've been putting this off for far too long, so okay, let's get into it. Starting off with just the random stuff, I guess. I'm bringing 2 burp cloths, even though I might not need them. I'd rather just have them. I'm bringing 3 different types of pacifiers, just because neither of my twins liked the hospital pacifiers, so I'm bringing 3 for her to try. I know that the hospital normally has soap, but I'm bringing our own. Just body wash, shampoo, and lotion. And then I bought a swaddle set, a swaddle and a bow set for whenever she's here. And it came with this little paper name sign, so I'm bringing that. Open this. This is the swaddle and bow that came with that little sign. There's the bow. And then the swaddle looks just like it. It's just matching. And then the sign also matches, so it's the same floral pattern. We'll probably use that to announce that she's here. Okay. Then we have her going home outfit. It's just a little onesie that's got the fold over hand mittens. And then pants. I think those are owls on the feet. Little pants. And then a matching hat, because it's March and it's freezing here. So that will be her going home outfit. And then I'm bringing 2 gowns, because I loved having gowns with my twins. Even though they were boys, I loved the gowns. They were so easy for diaper changes. Oh. Okay. This is the first one. It's got butterflies all over it. And it's got the hand mittens, which I love. And then it's got a bow. That's the first one. And then the second one is from Lulu. And it's also got the hand mittens. And this is the second gown. And this one ties at the bottom, so keep her little legs in there. So cute. And then I'm bringing 3 different like footies. Let's see. We've just got this regular one, newborn. It has the fold over mittens, just regular pink stripes, nothing fancy. And then this one's from Posh Peanut, and it's got a little ruffle butt. I think, yeah, all of these have the fold over hands. Because they really scratch at their faces. It's crazy. I don't think she's going to be very big, but I'm bringing 1 0 to 3 month just in case. And this one is Kate Quinn that I found at Once Upon a Child. It's so cute. It's got birds. I feel like you can't really tell that they're birds, but they're birds. And then next I've got 2 different bows. I've just got this regular white one, simple, that will match basically all of them. And then I'm bringing this bigger pink one because this is super small. And I don't even know how long this will fit her because my twin A had a pretty big head. So if she's anything like him, this might only fit her the day that she's born. And then I'm bringing 2 pairs of socks for when she's swaddled in the hospital blankets, or sometimes they have just shirts for the babies, no pants, so keep her feet warm with some socks. I don't think I have it up here, but I'll bring her car seat cover because it's cold here. And then I've also got her name blanket. Her name is Magnolia, so we'll have her car seat cover and her name blanket over her whenever we go home. And then obviously bring her car seat. I am going to bring 1 pack of wipes. These are not my favorite at all, so I don't really care about bringing these to the hospital. And then I will bring a couple newborn diapers, but we'll use the ones that the hospital has. And then all of her stuff I'm just going to put into this super old backpack that I have, because the diaper bag is already being used with the twins, and then we'll just throw her some stuff in the diaper bag when we all get home and get situated. So this is going to be her hospital bag. I'm going to put everything inside here. Okay. Now we've got all her stuff in here. And close it up. Except for the name sign. I'm not going to put it in there because it's just a piece of paper. Don't want it to get messed up. And I will also bring a Sharpie to write on this. But I'll put that in my bag. I won't put that in hers. Okay. And there we go. Next, I have to pack my bag. And then we're basically ready. We still have to put the car seat and the car seat base in the car, but it's been so cold and it snowed today, so we haven't had a chance to, but it will get done before we go to the hospital, and that's all that counts. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.